everyone, welcome to Crafternoon. My name is Marie. I work at the North Valleys Library. Today I'm going to show you a quick little craft. I'm going to show you how to make a no staple zine. So just like this little one I threw together. Super quick, really little, very cute. So what is a zine? First of all, narrowly, a zine is a small circulation of self-published work by a single person or a group of people. They're really popular among artists, fan communities, and social activists. So to create your zine, you're going to need one sheet of printer paper or similar, scissors or some other cutting tool like an X-Acto knife, and whatever pens, pencils, markers you like to decorate your zine. So step one, you're going to fold your paper in half lengthwise. Then you're going to unfold it, fold it in half widthwise, and unfold it. Then you're going to take the outside edge, fold it to that new center line. I'm going to do that on each side. And unfold it. Fabulous. So you should have 8 squares total if you've done all your folds. All right, so I'm going to refold that. Apologies, not lengthwise, widthwise. We're going to cut from point A right there to point B. Just like that. Unfold it. Now you fold it lengthwise. Gonna push. See that little diamond? That means you've done it right. Keep pushing. Sometimes they don't like to cooperate. Just fold a little bit more so they know what they're doing. And we're gonna push everything together, flatten it, and you have a zine. So real quick, if you're like me, you're gonna forget what's what. So I just front cover, label everything. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, 5, 6, and back cover. That way I know what's what for when I unfold it and decorate. Now, don't forget, before you're done, there is also a back side. So, like you can see, this is a quick little zine I threw together. And when I unfold it, I have a little poster. So, you've created your own zine. Good job, guys. Thanks for joining me this Crafternoon. If you like this craft, visit our Washoe County Library website or Facebook page to see other fun craft and STEAM projects just like this.